guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to see hidden characters in Character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Character AI and then tap on, then open your Character AI. I have hidden Lily just to show you guys how to see hidden characters in Character AI. So firstly, open your Character AI, then watch which character you have hidden. Here you can see missing chats. Try the website, tap on it. Don't know how to use this. Then after, go to Chrome. I've already searched. Then search for Character AI. And then tap on the first link. Then after, over here you can see this icon on the top left corner. There you can see your character. Lily is also available over there. So like this you can find see hidden characters in Character AI. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.